In our previous lectures, we have explored different types of legal systems, the hierarchy of laws and the role of the judiciary in interpreting and applying those laws. Today we'll shift our focus to the legislative process, the mechanism by which new laws are created and existing ones are amended. The legislative branch. In most democratic systems, the power to make laws is vested in a legislative body, such as a parliament, congress, or assembly. This branch of government is composed of elected representatives who are responsible for proposing, debating, and enacting laws on behalf of the people they represent. The lawmaking process. While the specific steps involved in the legislative process can vary from one country to another, the general outline is often similar. Bill introduction. The process begins with the introduction of a bill, a proposed law by a legislator. Bills can originate from various sources, including individual legislators, government agencies, interest groups, or even ordinary citizens. Committee consideration. After a bill is introduced, it is typically referred to a committee that is specialized in the relevant subject matter. The committee members study the bill, hold hearings to gather information and opinions, and may propose amendments to the bill. Floor debate. If the committee approves the bill, it is then sent to the full legislative body for debate. Legislators discuss the merits and potential drawbacks of the bill, propose further amendments, and engage in negotiations to build consensus. Voting. After the debate, the legislative body votes on whether to pass the bill. If the bill receives a majority of votes, it moves on to the next stage. Second chamber, if applicable. In bicameral legislatures which have two chambers, the bill must then be passed by the second chamber. This process may involve additional debate and amendments. Executive approval. In most systems, the bill must then be sent to the executive branch, the president, governor, or prime minister for approval. The executive can sign the bill into law or veto it, sending it back to the legislature for reconsideration. Publication and implementation. Once a bill becomes law, it is typically published in an official gazette or journal and becomes effective on a specified date. Government agencies then develop regulations and procedures to implement the new law. Factors influencing lawmaking. The lawmaking process is a complex and often lengthy one, influenced by a variety of factors including public opinion. Public sentiment can play a significant role in shaping the legislative agenda and influencing the outcome of debates on specific bills. Interest groups. Organized groups representing various interests such as businesses, labor unions, and environmental organizations often lobby legislators to support or oppose particular bills. Political considerations. Political parties and their leaders can exert significant influence over the legislative process, pushing for bills that align with their party's platform and opposing those that do not. Economic factors. Economic considerations such as the cost of implementing a new law or its potential impact on businesses and consumers can also be a major factor in the legislative decision-making process. Understanding the lawmaking process is crucial for anyone interested in how laws are created and how they can influence public policy. By understanding the roles of the legislative branch, the various steps involved in the process, and the factors that influence legislative decision-making, you can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of lawmaking and its impact on society.